On November 30th, the world changed forever because of the adoption of ChatGPT, launching us into an era where AI can literally do everything for you. Today, we are at the forefront of the AI revolution. And while AI is accessible to everyone, only a select few are going to be able to harness it and pave the way for the future of the AI gold rush. For all of you who are worried or scared about the AI revolution, this is your wake-up call. AI is not going anywhere, and it's only going to gain more momentum and become even more powerful. Instead of fearing it, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to your advantage to build an absolute gigantic cash flow business and take advantage of the gold rush and be on the forefront and the pioneer of this AI revolution. Whether you're a startup or seasoned entrepreneur, understanding AI's true benefits is going to allow you to grasp a mountain of cash over the next couple of years. So let's get into it. After running an 8-figure agency for the last 6 years, the biggest things that we've used AI for: automations, which is Zapier, Integromat, Make.com, platforms that are allowing AI to connect softwares together and allowing us to automate, systemize, and scale our business very, very far. Being able to systemize the tasks and bottlenecking things that you do on a daily basis are going to allow you to leverage your time better. And that's the biggest premise of AI for us. It's not just about creating content. It's not just about replacing ourselves. It's about buying back our time with softwares that don't require time to be spent on. By a click of a button or the push of a software, I can now automate and buy back my time, even at the small costs that softwares have. I don't have to go hire somebody a couple $1,000s to do a task. I can just push a button and have AI do the rest for me. Using apps like Zapier has allowed us to systemize what teams are doing between different departments. And based off what one department does, another would be notified. And based off of what a client or prospect does during the sales process would then predicate what texts or emails are being sent to them. And based off of what a client or prospect says to a text or email automation, I'm able to respond with actual correlated responses that keep the prospect engaged and keep them along the sales journey to actually buy. Placing AI inside of your business is really just based off of leveraging people at its highest extent. Regardless of who is inside of your business, buying back your time as a solopreneur will allow you to scale even further and manage your costs better. If you have a bigger team and you're a seasoned entrepreneur, it's going to allow you to make your team members more efficient, get more revenue per head inside of your business, and be able to actually increase efficiency inside of the business, which is going to allow you to hit your KPIs in stride and scale even faster and harder and know your hard costs without always having to feel like you have to hire and hire and hire and fire and fire and fire. The second thing that we've used AI for is the creative side, and editing has become something that is very, very costly for some businesses. Just like this video you see here, a manual person is editing this video, but there are effects and automations and transitions that allow us to be used by AI. AI is something that has made my team not just more efficient, but also more skilled. It's like giving a basketball player like Kobe Bryant or LeBron James the ability to shoot with their left hand as well from the 3 or further. You are bolting onto something that's already strong and just making it faster, stronger, better, and more optimized. And that's the real big power of AI when it comes to editing creative transitions. The third is learning. And we've heard about machine learning for a while now, but what does that mean for you? Machine learning is the ability for that AI or that integrated system to learn and learn and learn on autopilot without you having to teach it manually or physically or emotionally. Machine learning is learning your systems, learning your business on autopilot overnight while you sleep so that that bot or that AI is forever becoming smarter. And as you train and as you learn, you're going to become more efficient. So being able to let your ChatGPT AI become smarter at the copy, at the ad creatives, at the systems, at the business and the pricing packages and the sales that your business does is going to allow you to be more efficient, have it do more advanced prompts, and be even more scalable as you decide to grow and scale your business. And that brings me to the next piece, which is foundation. AI is not just this thing that you should depend on to do everything in your business, but to build a solid foundation. So all of your copy, your landing pages, and getting, some editing done and getting some creative inspiration is going to allow you to have that foundation to then build upon. We know right now that AI is in this pioneer level, but at the same time, people like me who are advanced marketers, who are advanced copywriters, we are better than AI. We still are. We have the right knowledge, we have the right pivoting, we know the structure and the awareness of our avatars to know what to say, when to say it, how to say it to get them to buy now. AI is good for building a foundation, not predicating all of your results and finalized projects on just AI. So if you're not a seasoned entrepreneur, you're just starting out and you're looking for a more efficient way to find the right landing page or get a better website or get a better image created, AI is a great way to have a foundation, but then you have to find the right people and the integrated systems to actually be able to make that thing better, because AI is not the end all be all. So right now, while AI is still developing, getting better and stronger, you still have to become a better leader, a better learner, and also overall acquiring more skill sets to bolt on to AI's efficiency. And that's the biggest thing with us is efficiency. If we are faster, money loves speed. If we are faster, we get more things done per hour. If we are faster, we can also learn faster. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'm really excited to see where AI goes the next couple of years. We'll be using it. You should be using it too. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos to come, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.